Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm bringing you a cute Christmas DIY. I'm making a snowball and snowflake garland. Now, I picked the snowballs up at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 with 50% off, so it cost me about $2.50, and I'm using a yarn needle, and you can see I have a big loop. I'm going to use some scissors. And then I've got some heavy duty cording, and that's what I'm going to be using to string the snowballs on. And y'all, if you're like me and you've been out, shopping around and you've seen a lot of these cute little garlands, you also see the hefty price tag on them. And I thought, my goodness, for about $3 I can make them myself. So that's what I'm doing. All I'm doing is just thread the cord through the little snowball. These are sparkled, and you're going to see as I'm going along, they make a mess all over my table. But it is what it is. They still come out adorable. You're going to have sparkles everywhere, though, just forewarning you. So what I'm going to do is space them out the way that I want, because in between, I'm going to put the snowflakes on. Already, this is adorable. I made this for my wall shelf. I'm going to swag it, but I thought after I did it, my goodness, maybe next year I'll make garland for the tree and maybe for my mantle. I think it's so adorable, and it was so inexpensive and so cute. So I'm going to watch for the sales at the end of the season and see if Hobby Lobby has them discounted even deeper. I mean, honestly, it can't be $2.50, but still. So it's just basically measuring the cord. I measured from where I was going to put it and gave myself a little extra room to make a loop on either end. And then you just decide how many snowballs you want on there, your spacing. And I kind of used a tape measure and then saw, okay, about every 3.5, 4 inches, I'm going to put a snowball. And in between that, I'm going to put a snowflake. And you'll see that. Now, I got these snowflakes at the Dollar Tree for $1 for a package, and I think there was 8 or 10 on the package. And I'm going to actually sew them onto the cord. I tried stringing them, but they hung sideways. So I'm just going to take a couple of loops through the top of the, as you can see here, the snowflake, so it attaches to the cord right. Look at how cute that is. So I'm just moving along. You can see how I'm just doing like 2 or 3 swoops around the cord. I actually went into the cord and out the other side, so it's got something to hold on to. And here it is. Look at that. How adorable. So this is a great project. If you're going with a snow theme, like I'm going with Baby It's Cold Outside or Let It Snow, this is a great little project. So there it is hanging up. Well, I hope you'll come back and join me again as I bring you more DIYs for Christmas. And if you don't want to miss any of my crafts, DIY, or decorating, please subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that little notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for joining me today. Come back and see me again soon. God bless.